Hi, welcome to a video on installing the plotters with using a port in Windows 8. Just going to show you quickly how to do that. It doesn't take long, so for starters, this is a clean Win8. We haven't done anything to it. There's no start button or anything like that, so it's just vanilla. So for starters, we're going to look at Credentials Manager. So if we go up and we bring down our Windows toolbar, go to Settings, we're going to go to Control Panel, and we're going to switch from Category View to Small Icons. Once we're in Small Icons, we click Credential Manager, and we're looking for Windows credentials. We're going to verify that we have credentials for mbcc-srv-v-ps01.cc.loc. Now, if you've already added printers to your machine, you should already have these credentials. They should be there. If you don't, you're going to add them, and it's going to look like this. You click Add, you put the name of the server in there, your username, which is cc / your student number, and your password. Okay? To give you a look at what that looks like, here's mine. So the network address was mbcc-srv-v-ps01.cc.loc. My username was cc/myname. However, yours will be different. Yours will most likely be your student number, and then your password. Okay, so once you have those credentials entered, we don't need this anymore. We can go ahead and close Credentials Manager. And I'm going to browse and open up in the background our server. So / mbcc-srv-v-ps01.cc.loc. I already have the credentials managed, so this should automatically connect. Just wait for it. Okay, so we're connected. The two plotters we're going to be looking at today are MO-A3225A-PR002 and MO-A3225A-PR003. This is your TDS plotter. This is your 1055CM HP plotter. I know this just because of previous experience with it. However, if you want to do a double check and you already have the plotters installed, you can search for printers under Settings, Devices and Printers, and you'll see A3225A. If I look at that, I'll see it's an HP DesignJet 1055CM. If I look at PR003, I should see that it's an OCE TDS450. So we're going to go about installing those printers. How we do that is we add a printer. We go ahead and stop this because we don't actually want it to search. We're going to say the printer that I have wasn't listed. We are going to add a local printer or a network printer with manual settings. And we're going to create a new port. The type of port we're going to create is a local port. Click Next. Here's where we'll enter a port name. We'll do the 1055CM first, so /MO-A3225A-PR002. That's going to be our port. If I've done that right, it should just connect and go through, and I'll see choose from list. So we are looking for an HP DesignJet 1055CM. Don't be surprised if you don't find it in this list. Oftentimes it won't show up, but we have to go through and check anyway. Okay, so no, we didn't find it here. So we'll click the Windows Update button. This takes a while. It takes a while to go out and see if we can find the driver, so we're going to wait a minute. I will time lapse this in the actual video So it may take you up to 15 minutes to wait for this, but I'm going to time lapse it so we don't have to wait. Okay, we're back, and the printer is now updated. The drivers are here, so we're going to go to switch and search again for HP. Found, and we're going to go down and search for DesignJet 1055. CM PS3. That's what we want. Click next. We can name it whatever we want. I'm just going to keep it as a standard. Click yes, and it will install. We do not want to share this printer. Next. And it's up to you whether you set as default. I will not. Okay, so that's how we deal with